What is UX writing? UX stands for user experience. It is a field of UX design. UX designers work on the usability and user experience of an app or website, while UX writers focus on how it reads and sounds. This type of writing is essential to UX design because people don't use products that aren't easy to use, and no one likes using products that they don't understand. That's why UX writers focus on a product's copy, or text, and its tone. They try to write GUI text and descriptive copy in plain language. This includes everything from the user onboarding, to error messages, to help content. Technical skills needed for UX writing. A good UX writer needs to be clear, accurate, and as brief as possible. Write in plain English, without any fancy words and phrases. Structure the text elements with a logical hierarchy. Order the procedural steps in a linear sequence, with one step naturally following the other, and meet the user expectations. Example: if there is a button on a screen that the user is expected to push, what should the label of the button read? Actuate? Push? Press? Click? OK? Select? Done? A good UX writer decides which choice leads to confusion and frustration, and which label leads to the satisfied user making the right choice without thinking too much. The golden rule in UX writing or UX design is this: don't make me think. If the users are scratching their heads and thinking about what's going on, or what will be the consequence of their action, then you've lost the battle as a UX writer. Try to make your buttons, links, instructions, etc. so obvious that they should not need any brainstorming or a PhD degree. 3 main UX writing jobs. Content creator. The first type of UX writing role is an experienced content creator. This person creates all kinds of content, from blog posts to video scripts, for a company's website or app. Technical writer. The second type is a technical writer. This person creates manuals and instructions for a company's products, services, and features so that customers can use them effectively. Content strategist. The third type of UX writer position is a content strategist. They create persuasive copy for web pages, or other online marketing material, that persuades potential customers to buy or sign up for a product or service on the company's server. UX writers make a lot of money. The average UX writer's salary in the USA in 2021 was $114,250 per year, or $58.59 per hour, according to Talent.com. Entry-level positions start at $88,075 per year, while most experienced workers make up to $165,750 per year. That's an excellent salary, isn't it? In terms of regions in the United States, UX writers are paid the highest in California, with an average salary of $139,425. California is followed by Texas, $121,063, and New York, $120,900. Compare these numbers to what the software development engineers are making, $115,000, and how much systems engineers earn on average, $102,702, according to Talent.com. I think you'd conclude that UX writers are doing pretty good these days. According to 2021 figures provided by Glassdoor.com, UX writers made an average of $112,726 a year. Highest paid UX writer worked for Google, $134,010. Followed by RideCell, $114,000 to $125,000. And Best Buy, $43 to $47 an hour. UX writers working for Meta, which is Facebook and Instagram's parent company, made between $126,000 and $137,000 a year. According to ZipRecruiter, UX writers made as high as $165,000 in 2021, with an average of $80,863 a year for an entry-level UX writer. I bet you are more motivated now to take a closer look into this new and fast-growing writing niche. Good luck!